Welcome to the Vivo Y35, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I just do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I just set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speaker, then this value on the display will change. So let's start. So as you can see, our device reached 115.1 decibel. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.